Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of latch hooking. And when you get a kit like this, you get this like mesh canvasy stuff, you get little tiny strips of wool like this, and you get a latch hook tool like so. To get this onto here, what you do, fold it in half to make a loop like so. Put your latch hook tool through it, make sure it's below the little latch like so. Then you push that through the hole like so, and you'll see the little latches move down. Make sure your loop's underneath the latch, then bring the rest of the wool under the latch so the hook can catch it, and then as you pull it through, the loop will catch the lower end of the wool and it wraps it around the fabric, and that's what keeps it in place. And you give it a little tug to make sure the knot's tight like so. So basically what happens is, as it goes through this material, you end up looping the wool on itself like that, and it forms a little knot around the thread stuff underneath. I'll show you one more. It took me a few times to get this. The instructions didn't make that much sense to me, so I ended up watching a YouTube video on it. So make a loop, put your tool through, okay, put your tool through the thread. As you pull the tool back down, the little latch will be sticking out. You bring your wool under the latch and through the hook, so it wraps around like that, and then you pull like so. Then I thought I would speed up the video for a bit so I didn't bore you to tears, and just show you that once you get into a bit of a rhythm with it, you can soon get your project finished. I carried on working on this for a couple of hours because obviously over Christmas and we're chilling and stuff, so between us for a couple of hours we worked on it. We have actually finished it now. But as you see, all you do is you follow the pattern and keep going, and you will get it done eventually. It depends on your level of patience with these projects. It's like embroidery. If you're not patient, it's probably not the project for you. I sort of flop between being very patient and getting loads done and being not patient at all and only doing a bit. But this one I did enjoy doing it, but I'd never done latch hooking before, so it was quite nice to do a different craft. And I have got for Christmas Eve, which is today when I'm editing this, I've got a little felting project to do to make some little winter polar bears to go on the Christmas tree. I'll film that later on as well for you to show you. So yeah, I'm quite enjoying doing these little craft kits, and they're not very expensive at all, so it's quite good. I mean, bear in mind, you buy a cushion like this that's latch hooked, it's going to be expensive because it's took a long time for someone to make it. Whereas to buy the kit, it was like £4 for the kit because they've got them reduced now. Because obviously there must be not a lot of people who've got patience to do them. And like, I'm going to sew that onto a cushion cover, and then I've got like a nice latch hook cushion, which will probably go on my daughter's bed actually. But like, I've only paid £4 because I'm going to use an existing cushion I've already got and just sew it on. So I'll show you that when I do that, when I attach it to the cushion. Because you can do a couple of things with this. You can either have it as like a little wall tapestry. You can have it as like, you can attach it to a tote bag, so you've got like a design on a tote bag, or you can add a cushion cover to it and turn it into a nice cushion, which is what we've decided we're going to do. My daughter asked me if I could turn it into a cushion for her, and I said yeah, no problem. So I'm going to do a bit of sewing later on to attach it to an existing cushion cover that we've got. What I'm probably going to do is take cushion cover apart and attach the back. I'm not sure yet exactly how I'm going to do it. I'm going to have a look. I'll record it when I do it anyway, so you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, these are quite nice little activities, especially if you and your children like doing little arts and craft projects like me and my daughter. They're nice things to do over Christmas. It's better than sitting there watching telly doing nothing. And I like to do some creative stuff when I'm off work, so it's a nice little project. I mean, obviously, if you're arty, it is a bit like colouring by numbers, but it's very relaxing. I find it relaxing, like doing the adult colouring books and stuff. Sometimes you want to just create something, but you don't have to think about it. So yeah, stuff like this is ideal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the end result. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas!